Elevate happiness, helping you find your happiness. Is CBD oil for anxiety and happiness? Did you know that over 264 million people worldwide suffer from anxiety disorders? Imagine the entire population of Indonesia, the fourth most populous country in the world, grappling with the invisible chains of anxiety. This silent epidemic is widespread, crossing borders, permeating societies, and affecting people of all ages and walks of life. It may even be a hurdle to us finding our happiness. It's a global crisis that often goes unseen and unheard, lurking in the shadows of our everyday lives. As we become more aware of this pervasive problem, the quest for effective remedies has intensified. Traditional treatments, while beneficial for some, don't always provide the relief needed. And let's not forget the potential side effects that can sometimes outweigh the benefits. This relentless pursuit for alternative solutions is not just a trend, but a necessity. The need for effective alternative treatments is more pressing than ever. A natural compound known as CBD oil has caught the attention of medical researchers. CBD oil, or cannabidiol oil, is a derivative of the cannabis plant. But before you jump to conclusions, let's clear the air. It's not what you might think. Despite its association with cannabis, CBD oil doesn't have the same psychoactive effects. In other words, you won't get high from it. Instead, it's been celebrated for its potential therapeutic benefits. Over the past few years, it has skyrocketed in popularity. It's been touted as a natural remedy for a variety of health issues, from chronic pain to epilepsy. But it's the potential benefits for emotional health, particularly when it comes to anxiety, that have really sparked interest. Yet it's not without controversy. Misconceptions and skepticism still surround it, largely due to its cannabis origins. But could it be the breakthrough we've been searching for? Leading medical experts and researchers have been studying the effects of CBD oil on anxiety and mood disorders. Several well-known neuroscientists indicate they are seeing some very promising results with CBD oil in their studies. It appears to have a calming effect on the nervous system, which can significantly reduce symptoms of anxiety. They emphasize the non-addictive nature of CBD makes it a potentially safer alternative to traditional anxiety medications. A well-known psychiatrist specializing in mood disorders shares his experience with patients who have incorporated CBD oil into their treatment plans. Many of my patients have reported a noticeable improvement in their mood and overall happiness after using it. It's not a magic bullet, but it's certainly a tool that can be used in conjunction with other therapeutic interventions. A leading researcher in the field of CBD explains how the compound works. CBD interacts with the endocannabinoid system in our body, a complex network that helps maintain our body's equilibrium. This interaction can help regulate mood, calm our nerves, aid in sleep, appetite, and even help us be happier. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. One leading pharmacologist reminds us of the need for caution. While we have seen promising results, CBD oil is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's crucial to remember that everyone's body reacts differently to substances, and what works for one person may not work for another. As the conversations continue, the consensus among experts seems clear. CBD oil has significant potential, but as with any new treatment, it deserves further research. A leading biochemist sums it up perfectly. The potential is exciting, and the preliminary results are encouraging. However, we need more comprehensive studies to fully understand its benefits and potential side effects. While the research is promising, it's important to remember that science is a process, and we're still in the early stages. As we continue to explore the potential benefits of CBD oil, it's important for you to do your own research. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to potentially change your life for the better. While CBD oil has shown promising results, it's still a relatively new player in the field of natural remedies. There's a wealth of information out there. You should consider product reviews, read testimonials, and learn about both the possible advantages and risks. It's all about making an informed decision, a decision that best suits your needs. And most importantly, don't forget to consult with your healthcare provider before embarking on any new treatment. They can provide you with personalized advice based on your unique health situation. Remember, your health is your responsibility. Stay informed, stay proactive, and always seek professional advice. The journey to understanding CBD oil and its potential benefits is just beginning. It's a world that's brimming with promise and potential, a realm where science meets nature in a harmonious blend. The landscape of alternative treatments is vast and varied, And somewhere amidst these possibilities lies the potential of CBD oil. It's about more than just finding a solution. It's about making informed decisions, driven by understanding and not by trends. To fully comprehend its potential, we must delve deeper into the inner workings of our bodies, specifically the endocannabinoid system. This complex biological system plays a crucial role in maintaining our body's homeostasis, regulating functions like sleep, mood, appetite, and immune response. The endocannabinoid system is a network of receptors spread throughout our bodies. When these receptors interact with cannabinoids like CBD, they can potentially influence and regulate our body's responses. CBD in particular interacts with these receptors in a unique way, possibly providing a calming effect, thus alleviating anxiety symptoms, elevating our mood, and helping us be happier. Research into the endocannabinoid system and CBD is still in its early stages, and while promising, it's essential to approach it with an open mind and a healthy dose of skepticism. As more studies are conducted, we hope to uncover more about this intriguing interaction and its potential benefits. The endocannabinoid system is a complex and fascinating part of our biology, and understanding it is key to unlocking the potential of CBD oil. As we continue to learn, we invite you to join us on this journey of discovery and understanding. Together, we can navigate the vast landscape of alternative treatments and perhaps find the key to a healthier, happier life. Many of us can relate to the experiences of those who have incorporated this into their wellness routines. Here are some of the success stories we often hear when discussing the topic of CBD oil. One software programmer says, "Before CBD, I was constantly on edge, struggling to focus on my work. Now I feel calmer, more in control." A retired school teacher who turned to CBD oil for her sleep issues. "I've tried everything before, but nothing worked as well as CBD. It's not a magic bullet, but I've noticed a significant improvement in my sleep quality," she recounts. Finally, a college student who uses CBD oil to manage his stress levels during the exam season. "It helps me relax and concentrate better. I don't feel as overwhelmed as I used to," he tells us. These stories highlight the diverse effects of CBD oil and how its impact can vary from person to person. They underscore the importance of personal experience in understanding the potential of this treatment. However, remember, everyone's experience is unique. What works for one person might not work for you. And always consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating new treatments into your routine. Let's continue to explore the potential of CBD oil together, with a clear understanding that everyone's journey is different. Here's to your wellness journey with CBD oil. May it be a path of discovery, understanding, happiness, and well-being. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, share it with your friends so we can bring you more ideas. For more videos like this to help elevate your happiness, hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you get notified of our next post. Thanks for watching.